Can foreign nationals use foreign currency income to buy a property here in the UK? So, yes, it is definitely possible to do this, and both, of course, British nationals and foreign nationals can do this. But it really depends, firstly, on what currency that you're actually getting paid in, and secondly, where you're living. So, let's start with the scenario that you're a UK resident, you're on a visa. So let's say you've got a skilled worker visa, but for whatever reason, you're getting paid in from a company who's based in the United States. If you are earning, so let's say it's just you, if you're earning more than £75,000 per annum, or if it's you and your partner and your joint income is above £100,000 per annum, then we could use this income absolutely to get a mortgage of up to 90 or sometimes 95% of the property value. Now, this is because there's a really good lender who lend to people with visas who, as long as the income is an employed income, so you're getting paid by a company that's from the United States, they can allow you to do this. They can allow this with US dollar, euro, Australian dollar, Indian rupee, and Swiss franc only. But there are many other currencies that can work if you're a UK resident and have a much higher deposit. So normally, let's say the issue comes if you're a UK resident and you're on a visa, then another lender who's really good at foreign currency income currently require you to have a 25% deposit. This could potentially change at some point, but we're not really sure yet, so we'll wait and see. But they have a list, a huge list of currencies that are available that can be used. What really then becomes the issue is just the source of that income. So it's much easier when it's from a country, as I said, like the United States. It could be Dubai or UAE, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Hong Kong, something like that. Quite a big financial state. Of course, if the question was, I'm a Nigerian national, like a lot of my clients are, on a visa in the UK, and I've got an income coming from a property in Nigeria. Can we use it? The answer would be no. We wouldn't be able to use that as provable income for a mortgage. But if you've got a main employment income and that's coming into the UK, or sometimes if you run a company abroad and you're getting paid into that, if you've got a 25% deposit, then that can be possible as well. If you've got a British passport in that same scenario, then it can be possible at a higher loan to value. If you are not living in the UK and you want to buy a property here, again, that can be possible on both residential and buy to let mortgages. So, buy to let is if you want to rent the property out. And if you've got a British passport, there's quite a lot of countries you could be living in and then buying a property here. Still, the lenders that are available are much more specific. If you don't have a British passport, I'd say normally the countries that it can be fine to be resident in would be the United States of America, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Hong Kong, Bahrain, and then there's some European countries in there as well, like France, Norway, Sweden. All of those can be possible. If you are living not in the UK, so you're living abroad, you will always need at least a 25% deposit, and it will depend on the structure of how we're doing it. That's it for today's video. So yes, it's definitely possible. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did like this video, please do like and subscribe. I'm going to link another video here on the screen. It's called Everything You Need to Know to Buy Your First Home here in the UK as a foreign national. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and have a good day.